guys, this is the Raynesys grilling table. So ignore our grill right now, the Blackstone. What we're looking at is this grilling table. This is fantastic. It's perfect for our smaller Blackstone, and it gives us a lot of room for all our accessories. They have a bottle cap opener. They have different hooks over here for our accessories that we use when we grill. They have a paper towel holder on here. I feel like one weird design flaw was that this spices rack and condiments rack is back behind my grill. So of course I could move my grill over to the side. That'd probably make more sense, but then it's really close to where the paper towels are. It has the 4 great wheels for rolling around. And once I get it where I want it, just make sure to lock those 2 wheels so it stays in place. I like that it's nice and heavy duty, easy for all sorts of different smaller grills for you to place on top, and they have this great heat resistant mat that you can put up here. So I know it's not going to damage the metal when it heats up. They have an additional side over here. You can put it down if you want, but you can put your platter on there, your cutting board, and there's even plenty of room down here for more things. And of course we have our propane tank under here, and they've got a spot for it so it won't wiggle and move. This whole thing took about 15 minutes for my teenage son to assemble. So if there's 2 of you, it'll go even faster. I really like the height of this grilling table because it allows me to be cooking right at waist level for me. Our last one that we had the Blackstone on was much smaller, so there's a lot of leaning forward. So overall, this has been a great addition to our backyard. They call it portable. I'm never going to fold it all up and take it with me to the park, but at home, it's perfect and exactly what we were looking for.